Hello and welcome in CAD in 360. Today in this video we are going to complete exercise number 21. So we are going to complete this exercise 21. So let's start. First of all, activate the sketch environment, then select the plane. Now create these profiles. So create a circle of dia 50 and dia 80. So 50 and concentric circle of dia 80. Okay, make it vertically aligned to the origin. Now specify the distance between the origin and this one is 186.6. Okay, and create another circle of dia 50 and dia 80. Okay, which is 173.2 from here to where the distance is 173.2. Okay, and next is create another circle of dia 50, 80, which is vertically 86.6 from this, and horizontally it is at 150. Now we have to create these lines. So now coming to these lines are 120 apart from each other, and it is 10 from this central line. Okay, so this is center to center line, center to center line. Similarly, this is also center to center line, and this one is also center to center line. Now what we have to do is we will use offset, then select these lines, then 10 offset. This is inward offset, so the distance between these two lines, offset lines, is 10. So click on this. Okay, now again offset, select these lines and offset distance 10. Okay, it is outward. Next thing is select these three lines, then right click, make it a construction line, so we don't need further. Now coming to a next is we are going to use trim tool and we will trim unwanted lines. So basically we will trim from here, trim, 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 trim. Similarly trim, trim. Okay, and delete unwanted lines. Similarly delete unwanted lines. Okay, now exit from the sketch. Okay, so all the profiles are enclosed. Click on home. Next thing is extrude these closed profiles, and it is 10. So we will use symmetric, whole length 10. Click on OK. Make a sketch visible. Next thing is select these closed profiles, circles, and then we will use symmetric, and next distance 20, and operation. So this is what we need, and here we have our 3D model. Okay, so you can see it, and if you want to check dimension. So inspect first top surface and then this bottom, and the distance is 20. Okay, next if you want to check the distance between this upper surface, this one, and the top surface of this, it is 5. So inspect it, select this one and this one, so it is 5. Okay, next inspect this one and this one, it is 10, so it is also 10. So inspect OD, so radius is 40 and diameter is 80, so it is 80. So we had created what we required. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you.
If you enjoyed this lesson and want to practice more Fusion 360 exercises, check out our Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook with 500 plus practice exercises. This is the Autodesk Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, designed to help you master Fusion 360 through practice. Inside, you'll get 200 2D sketching exercises, 200 3D modeling exercises, and multi-part assembly projects to build real-world design skills. Plus, you'll also receive 200 native Fusion 360 3D exercises, .f3D files, and all assembly models in .stp format. To get your free sample PDF or purchase the complete Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, check the link in the description below. You can buy it directly from Caden360.com website or on Amazon. Start practicing today and take your Fusion 360 skills to the next level.